Hi guys, so welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be looking at Uniswap and how to use Uniswap to buy basically any Ethereum based token and some other assets like tokenized Bitcoin and all that stuff. So Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, different from Binance or Poloniex or Bittrex. This is just the interface. This is all you get on Uniswap. So the website is app.uniswap.org. So all we have to do right now is to connect our wallet, and as you can remember, we created a wallet before, a metamask wallet. So this is the options you get: metamask, wallet connect, Coinbase, etc. We're interested in metamask, so this will load up and I will have to put my password. So here we go. Our wallet is connected, so you could see the wallet address, the amount of Ethereum in the wallet. So you have where you're transferring from, the token you're transferring from, and what you're transferring to, the token you want to buy. So let's think of a token that we want to buy that is not listed on Binance, or any other centralized exchange that we know of. So we'll go to CoinGecko. So it's coingecko.com. So here you could find different cryptocurrencies that are in the market. So many of them. There are more than 6,000 of them. So this is where you would find them, their market cap, their price, and every other thing. So let's say I'm looking to buy a token called Snowswap, right? So this is Snowswap, trading at $42 as of now. Market cap is around $8 million. To max supply 500,000. So this is Snowswap, and this is the would I say ticker for Snowswap? So Snow. So I'll just copy the contract. This is the contract address. So I'll just copy it, to show you guys something. So yeah, this is all the information you need to know about Snowswap. You could come here, you could check market charts, historical data, and all that good stuff. So let's go back to Uniswap. So yeah, so this is Uniswap. I come here, select token. I can search name or paste address. So I can search for Snow. They say no result found. This is because they don't Uniswap doesn't really make it like too easy for you to be able to search for any coin, because there are so many scam coins out there. So all you have to do is to go copy the contract address and come paste it here. So pasting the contract address now, you could see Snowswap has appeared. So you could go ahead and click on import, click on understand, and go on with the process. So this method, you have to do this method on almost all the new tokens that haven't been added by Uniswap in terms of searching. You have to do that every single time you want to buy a new project that is on Uniswap. You have to go copy the contract address, come paste it, click on this stuff and all that stuff. But then I'll show you another way. So let's go back. Let's come to select token. Let's go to manage, right? So when you come to manage, so these stuffs here are some exchange. This is Gemini token list, RV token list, CMC token list, CoinGecko token list. So these are just to limit scammers and all that stuff. Some organizations or some exchanges or some projects have put up lists of verified tokens to make it easier for people to search instead of going to copy contract addresses. So CoinGecko itself has their own token list of you know, maybe some projects that they trust or some projects that they know their founders and all that stuff. So all I'll just do is on, right? So once it's on, I can probably go back here and try to search for Snow. So you can see it automatically appears even without me having to paste the address. So here we go. So let's say we want to buy like 0.1, sorry, 0.17 Snow. So you could see that, you can see the data here. We'll get about 5 Snow, 0.03 Ether per Snow, minimum received. This is your minimum received, you know, price impact, you know, liquidity provider fee and all that, you know, stuff. So this minimum receive means even if the price fluctuates, this is the minimum you would get. If it goes below this, your transaction will be reversed so that you don't get way lower than what you bargained for. So click swap. This is a confirmation again for you to, you know, check, make sure everything is okay. Swap. So as you can see, it's, you know, loading up for us to make confirmations with our wallet. So you can see our wallet has popped up. So here we will see the total amount we have to spend, $242. Gas fee is kind of high, which is $16. You know, we are spending $225 to buy this token. So I want to show you guys something. This is what we call gas price. You know, it's at 71 GUI, right? So we can actually reduce this or increase it. So how we could do this is, let's come to ethgassatation.info. So if I refresh this page, so here we go, I get the gas prices at 101 for very fast transactions, 101 for, you know, fast transaction, and then 70 for, you know, standard transactions. So if you want your transaction to go faster, you would use this. Sometimes these two are not the same. This might be way higher than this, but today they are the same. Standard transaction is 70 GUI, which is 5 minutes and all that stuff. So we'll go back to Uniswap, come to your wallet. So this is at 71, which is cheaper, but it is $16. So we're just going to let it be. If I change it to 101, this is going to increase. So let's just go ahead. So as you can see, it's in pending, you know, transactions. I'm going to leave it. So now we wait, right? If you scroll up, you're going to see it as pending, you know, transaction. So we are hoping for the transactions to go through. So this is how a decentralized wallet works. You don't have to deposit your money on Uniswap. No, rather you connect your wallet and you send a transaction to swap that your token for another token, like instantaneously. Sometimes, you know, it might take a while because it's pending for the network to confirm the transaction. So it's not like Binance where you have to deposit money and then the money has to be confirmed before you now use that deposited money to buy your token or to buy the coin you want. A decentralized wallet like Uniswap is totally different. The money never leaves your wallet up until you want to, you know, swap it. So let's check, you know, what's happening. So view on Etherscan. So as we could see, the swap has happened for 5.1 Snow, you know. So if we say view on Etherscan, so here we go, the status is successful, and, you know, you can see all these details. You could just, you know, look through it and all that stuff. So let's go back to Uniswap. So as you can see, it is successful and our Ether balance has reduced. So yeah, Ether's balance has reduced. You can see our Uniswap balance is 5.7, meaning you know, we were going to 5.1 before. Now it's 5.7, meaning, you know, maybe the price dropped a little bit during that transaction. So you could come to your wallet to see if you could find the token that you just bought. So let me expand this view. So you could see that when you click on assets, you just see Ether, but probably you can't find your newly acquired token. There's a reason for that. So you have to actually go add the token, right? So in our previous video, we showed you how you could add a token. So if you searched for Snow, you can find it. So you have to go to custom tokens and then add the address. So this is the address. You see automatically Snow shows up. Click next, add tokens. So because you have Snow, you see the amount shows up and the price of the Snow shows up. So that is it, guys. So do stick with us on Sasumis, where you learn a whole lot about, you know, cryptocurrencies and how to make money with cryptocurrencies. So I'll see you guys next time. Do have a lovely time. Stay safe.